Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I will solve minimum steps to destination. Go to problem statement. In problem statement, you have given infinite number line and you start from 0 and you can go either to the left or to the right. And the condition is that in the ith move, you must take I step and given a destination D. And you have to find the minimum number of steps required to reach the destination. Okay, and go to notepad to understand this problem statement. Suppose our destination is 2. 2 means this is our destination. Okay, and we can start. We have in problem statement given we start from 0 and we go move forward either right or left. Okay, and we start from 0 this position. In first step we go to 1 in first step and we move to 1 step, and in second step we move to forward 2 step. We move to forward 2 steps. Then if we move to forward 2 step, it will count from this 1 and 2, 1 and 2, this 1 2, this position will go to 3, but it is not our destination. Our destination is 2. So what we do, we move to backward 2 position, means we move to forward this. We are in 1 position, this position we move to 2 position. If we move to 2 position we will reach this -1. Okay, now we will in step 3. In step 3 we'll move to 3 steps, so we forward 3 steps to right. If we forward to 3 steps to right, we will reach our destination address 1 2 3. Our destination address 2. How many moves we take? First we move 1, reach 1 step, 1 step. This is 1 step, and this is 2 step, and this is forward 3 step. We take 3 steps, so in output it will show 3. And you can go to our problem statement. In it is showing 3 in output. Okay, now go to second problem. Our destination is 10. Our destination is 10. If we move from 0 to right position 1 step, if we move 1 step we will reach 1, this 1. If we move in second step we need to move 2 steps. If we move 2 steps we will reach this position. Okay, if we move 3 steps, and 3 steps will count from this 1 2 3. We'll move 6, 1 2 3, 6 position. Okay, and in fourth position we move to 4 steps. We move to forward 4 steps, and it will be from 6. It will be 7 8 9 10, 4, 1 2 3 4, 4 steps. So we reached our destination. How many steps will take? In first step it is our 1 step, it is step 2, it is step 3, it is step 4. 4 steps we take. Okay, and now approach of this problem. We start from 0. In our it is also mentioned, and we keep track the current position and total steps we are taken, that also. And in each move we alternate between moving to right and moving to left. If we moving to right we will add n plus 1. Moving to right, if we moving to left means this position will subtract from this, and until we when we operate this function, when we will until we reach our destination address. Okay, then idea is to keep track of sum of steps taken so far, and when the sum becomes greater than or equal destination, then we stop, and because we have overshot our destination, we crossed our destination. Okay, now pseudocode of this. Pseudocode, first we create function, define function minimum steps to our destination, and then we initialize steps to store how many steps we will go, and then our position, current position, in which position we are. Then we'll create a loop. If position less than our destination or position minus the destination value even will not even and then steps will increment one step. Okay, and if steps is odd, then position go to add steps, or else steps 2 is subtract. I also mentioned the right move. If we right move, it will plus, it will left, then it will subtract. So this is we define as even or odd. Okay, then at last it will return to steps. Okay, now what is the time complexity of this? Time complexity of this, O of D means O of our destination address and O of our space complexity. Now go to code. In we have first also pseudocode to mention that previously we initialize steps to this variable, do this cumulative sum as position. We have mentioned as position, this we write down this as cumulative variable. Okay, cumulative sum, and we create this loop until the position or cumulative sum reaches our destination, and if differences is odd, then it will. So we create cumulative sum less than destination or cumulative sum minus destination, that number is not even, and cumulative will increment step, it will update, and then it will return to step minimum number steps we require to reach the, how many steps required to reach our destination. So we'll return steps. Now compile and run. So now submit. Is done. See you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.